Donald Trump became the first U.S. president to be convicted of a crime on Thursday when a New York jury found him guilty of falsifying documents to cover up a payment to silence a porn star ahead of the 2016 election. After 2 days of deliberation, the 12-member jury pronounced Trump guilty on all 34 felony counts he faced.
While this defendant may be unlike any other in American history, we arrived at this trial and ultimately today at this verdict in the same manner as every other case that comes through the courtroom doors, by following the facts and the law and doing so without fear or favor.
Justice Juan Merchan set sentencing for July 11th, just days before the Republican Party is scheduled to formally nominate Trump for president ahead of the November 5th election. 77-year-old Trump has denied wrongdoing, and his attorney said they would appeal as quickly as possible.
This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. You have a so-respect DA, and the whole thing. We didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay. I'm fighting for our country. I'm fighting for our Constitution.
The crime of falsifying business documents carries a maximum sentence of 4 years in prison, though those convicted often receive shorter sentences, fines, or probation. Incarceration would not legally prevent Trump from campaigning or taking office if he were to win. He will not be jailed ahead of sentencing. The verdict plunges the United States into uncharted territory ahead of the November election, where Trump aims to reclaim the White House from Democratic President Joe Biden. The case had been widely regarded as the least consequential of the 4 criminal prosecutions Trump faces, but the verdict looms large now, as it is likely to be the only one before the election, with the others delayed by procedural challenges. The jury found Trump guilty after a 5-week trial featuring explicit testimony from porn star Stormy Daniels about a sexual encounter she alleges occurred in 2006 while Trump was married to his current wife, Melania. Trump denies ever having sex with Daniels. Trump's former fixer, Michael Cohen, testified that Trump approved a $130,000 hush money payment to Daniels in the final weeks of the 2016 election when Trump faced multiple accusations of sexual misconduct. Cohen testified that he handled the payment and that Trump approved a plan to reimburse him through monthly payments disguised as legal work. Trump's lawyers attacked Cohen's credibility, emphasizing his criminal record, imprisonment, and history of lying. Merchan also cautioned jurors to scrutinize Cohen's testimony carefully. A Trump appeal is likely to focus on Daniels' salacious testimony and the novel legal theory used by prosecutors, but legal experts suggest he faces long odds.